Hi, so here we have another game to help practice times tables, and this time it's based on Connect 4. What we need is a grid template, some counters or coloured pens. We need different colours for each player that's playing, and we need a dice that goes from 1 to 10. First, we need to fill our grid with numbers for the times tables that we're working on. So again, you can either choose to look at just one times table or multiple times tables. We're going to look at the 5 and 10 times tables. So we want to fill the cells in a random order. Once we've filled all of the cells with the times tables that we want to look at, it should look something like this. Players then take it in turns to roll the 1 to 10 dice, and the number that they get, they times by the times tables that they're looking at. So here we have 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 10 is 10. So player 1 can look for 5 and 10. So we've got 5s and 10s here. And we choose one of them and we place the counter over it. Player 2 will then roll the dice, and they've got 2. So they would do 2 times 5 and 2 times 10. So they'd get 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 10 is 20. So they're looking for the 10s and the 20s on the grid. And then they choose one that they want to put their counter on. Players continue to take it in turns. So here we've got 5, so we would look at 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 10 is 50. So we'd look for 25 and 50, and we're wanting to get 4 in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or on one of the diagonals. So I would choose the 5 times 5 is 25 and place a counter here. Play continues with each player taking it in turns to roll the dice and place a counter, trying to get 4 in a row. Play continues, and this time we've rolled a 7. We would have 7 times 5 is 35, or 7 times 10 is 70. So as you can see, we can place a counter on the 35, and this player would win the game because they have got 4 counters in a row. We hope you enjoyed the game, and thank you and goodbye.